Tonight we're going to be making one of my Nonna's traditional recipes, which is her traditional Italian frittata. The recipe consists of everyday items that are found in your refrigerator and also in your cupboard. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's very versatile. You could have it for brunch or you could have it for dinner. So let's get started. We're going to start with our ingredients. We start with 6 eggs, 2 potatoes, fresh asparagus, a whole onion, fontina cheese, cherry tomatoes, a red bell pepper. We also have pecorino romano, 2 tablespoons of cream, and a little oregano. Okay, so we're going to start off with our potato, and we're going to peel this, get rid of them. And now we're going to slice our potato in thin slices. And we're going to put this in our dish. Okay, next we take our onion. We're going to start to dice up our, slice our onion in very thin slices. And now we're going to start cooking. Okay, so we're ready to start cooking. We're going to turn our flame on medium. And we're going to put a little olive oil here. I love olive oil. And we're going to start putting in our potatoes and creating a layer for the frittata. What we're going to do is we're going to add our onions as another layer on top of the potatoes. And we're going to add, we're also going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're going to add a little bit of oregano, just to flavor it. Okay, we're going to let that cook down. I'm going to put a lid on and allow that to cook. Okay, so as our potatoes and our onions are cooking, what we're going to do is we're going to begin our egg mixture. Okay, and we're going to crack 6 eggs. I've used all 6 eggs with the egg yolks. I'm also going to put in 2 tablespoons of light cream. I'm also going to put in 2 teaspoons of pecorino romano. And I'm also going to use some fresh parsley. Okay, we're going to whisk this. So that it's nice and light and fluffy. So after about 10 minutes, the potatoes and the onions have cooked. And as you can see, they've started to brown on the other side, and they're tender when you poke them with a fork. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start to layer our fontina cheese. that melt for a minute. And as you can see, the cheese is already starting to melt. And we are going to add egg mixture. Lid on and allow it to puff up a little bit. So while our frittata is cooking, we're going to create a little food art so that it is appealing to the palate and also to the eyes. Okay, we're going to take our very thin asparagus and we're going to cut them probably about 3 inches. They should be very, very thin so that they're pliable. We're also going to take our red bell pepper and we're going to begin to slice. Okay, and as you can see, they're hollow in the inside. Okay, we can clean out the middle. Make sure the seeds are out. So now we have our asparagus and we have our red peppers and we're going to use some leaves from our basil plant. So we're going to cut about 4 leaves from our basil plant. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a beautiful artistic creation of our frittata. Okay, so we're almost finished with this frittata, but we want to add some visual appeal because the visual appeal to any meal, in my opinion, makes it even more enticing. So here we go. Let's take a look at what we have here. We have our sliced peppers and our asparagus and our basil and our cherry tomatoes. And what we're going to do is we're going to take there you have a gorgeous frittata. Okay, we're going to take this frittata and I preheated my oven to 400 and we're going to place this inside of the oven to finish it off. Here we go. I can't wait. Okay, so while our frittata is cooking, of course we're going to make a nice little biscotti to accompany the hot frittata. Okay, so I have a nice loaf of Calandra's Italian bread and we're going to slice that. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to place it on our cookie sheet. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to drizzle with olive oil. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to actually put a little bit of grated cheese. On the top, we're also going to add some garlic powder. Simple, and also some rosemary. Okay, some fresh pepper. Bake in the oven for the last 10 minutes of the frittata. Okay, so we're going to put this in the oven for the last 10 minutes of our frittata. Let's take a look at this. Oh, it's cooking up nicely. We're going to put that back in, and we're going to put our biscotti in there. We're going to let that cook for a few minutes. Okay, so I think 20 minutes has gone by. Let's check our frittata. And it looks perfecto. Here is our beautiful. Here is our beautiful. What? He tried to get away from us, but what are you gonna do? You have to smile when you have a meal like this. Okay, so we're gonna sit down and we're gonna have a little bit of our dinner. So what day are we on?
30-something, 40-something.
You have no idea, neither do I. Really? Ooh, what is this? Ooh, we're pairing this with a nice Chardonnay. It's nice and light. Put an egg mixture. And wait, give me that cork, because we're gonna add on to our floral piece. Don't spill my wine. It's the day whatever. Okay, and we stuck this in. Ooh, I think we need a bigger base. We need a bigger base. Okay, and we're gonna try our frittata. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I hate to eat it. Look how pretty it is. The sucker almost got away from us before, right? Oh my goodness. We had a little bit of vino before. Okay, so here we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. I hate to eat it. It's so pretty. Okay, we have our biscotti with a little rosemary and olive oil and grated cheese. We're gonna have a little bit of that. And look at this. We have our beautiful, simple meal. Salud.
Salud.
And from our family to yours, we love you. We wish you all the best, good health, love. Ciao.